Okay, if you needed some extra practice with our application problem, I have it for you here to solve it out. So the problem is, Anisha is setting up a play space for her new puppy. She will be building a rectangular fence around her yard that measures 29 feet by 12 feet. How many square feet of play space will her new puppy have? So the first thing you want to do is identify the important pieces of information. 29 feet by 12 feet, and how many square feet of play space will her puppy have? So that is all telling me what I'm going to need to do to solve this problem. So that is square feet, remember, is multiplying a length times a width. So her puppy's going to have this area to play in, 29 and 12, and that leads me to solving this out. 29 times 12 equals, I don't know yet. There's a couple different ways you could solve it. So you could solve it using the standard algorithm over here, which is what I'll do, or 29 is really close to 30, and this is just like our fluency that we did. So we could do 30 times 12, which is like a fast fact, because 12 times 3 is pretty easy, then just add a 0, and then just subtract 1 12, because I know that 29 12s is 1 less than 30 12s. So that 3 times 12 is 36, plus a 0, minus 12 equals 348. That's pretty fast. Okay, let's check it with a standard algorithm. So when I'm solving 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problems like this, excuse me, that means I'm going to have 2 rows here. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply my 2 with all the numbers, and then I'm going to multiply my 1 with all the numbers. So 2 times 9 is 18. I'll need to carry my 1. 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 more makes 5. So I'm done with that 2. That means I also need to add a placeholder. I use an X, but a lot of times people use a 0. It means the same things. Now I'm going to deal with my 1. So my 1, I'm multiplying with 9 first, and then 1 times 2, I've already dealt with that, is 2. So now when I multiply these together, I'm sorry, add them together, I should get 8, 5 times, I keep saying times, plus 9 plus 5 is 14. Same answer. Okay, so that's how you do it with a standard algorithm. 2 digits here mean 2 lines. If I had 3 digits, I would have 3 lines. Okay, or I can use this kind of quicker method, 348 square feet.